Man, hey man, this your boy the Chopper, man. You heard, nigga? I'm just waking up. You heard, nigga? Waking up. It was bullshit rain, whole bunch of rain. You did. I'm waking up. Look outside. Look what I saw. You heard? Shit, some fucking bullshit. All that fucking water. A lot of fucking water. Crazy ass shit. Man, waking up to this shit, man. Shit crazy as fuck. You heard me? Man, I just hope it get dry. It'll be cool enough, man. All this fucking water be gone, you dig? Nigga can't do shit out here, you heard? But look, about to see what's down though. Hold on, give me some more water. Trucks can't even park out in this bitch. Bullshit. Man, motherfucker can't even park in their parking space around this bitch. Rain water, it's fucked up. Y'all get at me on YouTube, Chopper Man on Dick, aka Mr. White. I'm out here. Yeah.